Meet Lily, a talented nail artist who is captivated by the mystical allure of mermaids and the wonders of the sea. Her passion for creating unique nail art designs is fueled by her enchanting dreams of underwater realms. Inspired by the ethereal beauty of mermaids, Lily embarks on a creative journey to translate her imagination onto her nails. Join Lily as she dives deep into the magical world of DIY nail art, where each brushstroke brings her closer to bringing her mermaid dreams to life. Immersing herself in the enchanting world beneath the waves, Lily is surrounded by a kaleidoscope of colors and textures that spark her creativity. Vibrant coral reefs sway gently in the currents, while shimmering seashells glisten like treasures waiting to be discovered. Graceful sea creatures glide gracefully by, their elegant movements inspiring Lily's mermaid-themed nail art design. Each mesmerizing detail she encounters in the depths of the ocean becomes a piece of her artistic puzzle, empowering her to translate the beauty of the sea onto her fingertips. With unwavering precision and boundless creativity, Lily transforms her nails into a canvas of underwater wonders. Each delicate stroke of her brush captures the intricate details of scales, the glistening sparkle of sea foam, and the luminous beauty of iridescent pearls. As she immerses herself in the art of nail design, Lily's passion and dedication shine through in every design element she meticulously incorporates. Through her artistry, she breathes life into her underwater fantasy, infusing her nail art with a touch of magic and a sprinkle of imagination. With a sense of anticipation and excitement, Lily puts the finishing touches on her masterpiece, a true reflection of her dedication and artistry. As she gazes upon her completed nail art creation, a wave of accomplishment and joy washes over her. The intricate details and vibrant colors come together harmoniously, embodying the mystical allure of mermaids and the enchanting beauty of the sea. Lily's DIY nail art is not just a design, it is a testament to her passion and talent, a tangible expression of her creativity and love for bringing dreams to life.